Welcome to another Unify training video. This video explains how to create a cost budget. To create a cost budget, select the project you are budgeting, and then go to the Cost tab. Click on the project budget. The cost code structure that you see comes from your chart of accounts. Now simply populate your cost budget details. Enter as much detail as you require. You may choose to specify quantity, unit, and rate. Pressing the Save button calculates your budget. Once you are satisfied with the budget, you can create a snapshot for future reference. Enter a description and date for your snapshot, and press Save. You may choose to phase your cost budget. Phasing can be done manually or through auto-phasing. Auto-phasing splits your costs over a specified period of time. Select your phasing method and enter the dates. Once entered, click Save. Use the Copy Budget button to update your cost budget forecast. Next, add in your forecast to complete. This can be entered manually, or be auto-calculated. Finally, you may choose to auto-phase your forecast to complete. Select the phasing method once more, enter dates, and click Save. You now have a fully planned cost budget. Variance can be observed against each line item. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.